tell you all about it. Now coming in from our left, Cessna 172, Wee Dram. But unlike most 172, this is sporting a wonderful pair of floats. The floats are what I call a whip line. I think it was about 60 knots or something. Okay, it's approaching the water. It's a very shallow descent, not surprised, but watch the step. You see how he's keeping the aircraft powered up, not letting it settle. And then power, back up off the step, and back into the airborne. Right, landing out is on, flaps at no tail. We have selected power 7 once, now just playing with the power, gently pushing forward, letting the aircraft sink down, but he's got to keep that nose up like that attitude. And there he goes, touching down, coming back, on the throttle, and now dropping back up, nose back up, and the rising water coming out. Got little rudders on the back of those float boats as well, so they're obviously helping him. And they were then auctioned off, and as I said, we raised a large amount of money for another from fuel for today's program. Here he comes, into the final touch and go, splash and go, sorry. Holding up a little bit longer this time. Landing just forward with a step. Taking the throttle a little bit low, get the cockpit, keeping it going. And there you go, power back on, build up the airspeed, and away. Interesting to keep the flaps down quickly for a long time to the Airshare Daily News. So if you can't, or you don't have a program with you, and you want to join in that draw, have a look at Facebook at Wee Dram, or have a look at the website scotlandonfloats.com. So a little wing wave from Hamish. Thank you very much, Hamish. Thank you, Wee Dram. We will see you again. Got to thank Deb for bringing pictures right to American Airport. But it really is every aspect of aviation.